Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Come on, man. You know what we trying to do. Hit that subscribe button, Sneakerheads. Come on, man.
Right, right. Too easy.
So in this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby. That weekly
Sure.
heat.
Yes,
So these are the
sir.
Jordans that are coming out from the 22nd of September through the 28th. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So starting off on September 24th, we do have a kid's shoe for the Babies. This is the Jordan 1 Low. It does glow in the dark, so maybe it's just in time for Halloween. Being that this is a simple shoe, in my opinion. I wish they would have probably did something better with the swoosh, but it kind of reminds me of a panda. Predominantly, the shoe is all white. Around the toe box, I do see that black hits, as well as on the heel of the shoe. And we do have a lilac or purple Nike swoosh on the side. As you can see, that bottom is glowing, like a glow in the dark effect. I do think this is a nice shoe for the babies. And just in time for Halloween coming up next month, this will be a shoe that might be good to rock during Halloween when they're going out trick or treating so they won't get hit by the cars. So Nike brand is listening. They kept the shoe simple. They're matching the Air Jordan tongue tag with lilac as well to match the swoosh. I do think that's a good hit. This shoe, as we'll see on the back, we do have that Nike Wings logo. White. I do like that white because it does make the shoe pop. Looking at the laces, they are white as well. Moving around to the bottom of the shoe, we do have that upsole glow in the dark. Also coming some free stickers for the babies, and these look like they will be glowing in the dark as well. So let me know down in the comments, sneakheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? I'm rocking these for the babies. How about you, my brother?
You know what, Jordan Brand? I mean, let's put art behind what we're doing. I mean, if this shoe was the fall shoe for the babies, um, you would think that I would drop the shoe in August. The shoe, but you made sense, bro. When you it makes sense for Halloween with them going to dark. I will be rocking. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you rock what we're dropping.
Yes, sir. So what we got next, my brother?
So on September 28th, we have Air Jordan 12. The price point for $200. This shoe right here is just giving homage when he did his brief baseball career with the Barons, which is a double A affiliated with Chicago White Sox. I don't understand why they putting the White Sox out there with them having the worst record. Major League Baseball really don't make sense for them to drop this shoe. But this is a clean shoe. I really like the gray dark that they went with. I'm liking that herringbone future on the herringbone, in it action. This shoe right here is more of an actual. This is not a shoe that you just put together with fear. This shoe is meant to be on the court, right? Clean. Love the colors they're going with. Love the chrome eyelets they have with it, like the subtle on the tongue. The heel is it's just a clean, nice. We'll be rocking those. Drop us a rocking those or dropping those. Up to my brother.
I'm be rocking these as well. I do think this is a clean colorway for the fall. That black and gray, you can't go wrong with that. And I don't see these getting dirty, so that's why I think it's a good shoe for the fall. You rock these with almost any color. They're kind of like a panda, but a little bit of gray. You don't have to worry about the toe box getting all dirty. As you know, the taxis are coming out, so see these shoes sitting because of that. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the hottest shoe of the week, one of the hottest shoes of the month as well. We do have on September the 28th another collaboration with Travis Scott. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low. It's come at a price point of $150. This colorway is called the Medium Olive. Hopefully y'all will be getting tired of the Travis Scott so I can finally get my pay for retail. But good news about this, there are rumors that there's supposed to be more stock than normal. But as you know, resale is still high on this pair. My size 10, $561 currently at this time of recording. I do see these shoes doing well, and I do suspect these shoes to sell out. Predominantly is white. It does have that sail midsole, that black swoosh first, as usual, on the Travis Scotts that we love. Around to the back of the shoe, we do see that red. I do love that red. It does have that Cactus Jack on one side with the Air Wing logo on the other. Moving around to the toe box, we do see in that same colorway. It does have that Nike Air on the tongue tag. Do think it's a nice touch. They could have possibly done something with the laces, but I'm not mad at this. They kept it simple with the white laces to match the shoe. Overall, this is a clean shoe, and I will be going. We wish you the best of luck because we know these Travis Scotts are hard to get for retail. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, if you rocking these or dropping these. What about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Hey, that price point, like you mentioned, 150. This shoe, it gonna sell out. If you can snatch this, you know, I say go ahead and snatch. This is a clean shoe. You mentioned like the laces. I mean, you know, white laces attract dirt, and the clean shoe. Overall, price point, we'll be rocking those. We'll be rocking those. Hey, drop a comment down below if you're rocking those. Yes, sir. Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.